My name is Jairam. My channel name is DVJ Vlogs. Okay, now we are doing the paper board. So now we can. Okay, so now we can see. Now fold like this. Okay friends, fold like this and cut this half of the paper. Okay friends, we came like this. Okay, now open this. Okay, now fold this edge to this edge. Okay, you fold like this. After fold like this. Okay, now you can have this edge. And press this paper. Okay, and this have 3 papers. That side only one edge, this side only three edges. Okay friends, now we open on middle and press like this. Press. Okay, now take like this and open the board. Okay friends, we have got the board. Okay friends, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, bye bye.